Alright guys, alright, so I'm out here again kayak fishing, trying to practice a little bit before I get on a big lake. Right now I guess the wind is about we'll say 1 mile an hour, so it's really no wind, so perfect time for me to go ahead and try to practice a little bit. That way there's no obstacles like fighting against the wind, and I can practice on my paddling and my stability. Make sure that I can rock the boat without feeling like I'm gonna fall. So right now I'm fishing this pretty big little pond, almost like a lake. Let's say it's about an acre, maybe an acre and a half lake, maybe a little more. Right now the depth on this little lake is about 15 feet, 16 feet. It's getting deeper, so it's pretty, I mean, it's pretty deep. It's not completely shallow, so it's got, I don't know if you guys can see, yeah, 20 feet, approaching 20 feet right here. Yeah, now it's past 20 feet, awesome. Well, I haven't really made a proper introduction to my channel, so I'd like to make a proper introduction here in a little bit, let you know what my channel is all about, let you know a little bit about me. But first I'm going to set up this little camera. I'll set up the camera real quick so it doesn't look totally garbage, you know. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Edgar, and the name of my channel is Ebonics Fishing. As you can tell, it's about fishing. I recently bought a kayak, so I'm going to be doing a lot of kayak fishing. What I like to do is I like to bank fish. Every once in a while I'll get on the water with my cousins. They got a John boat, and they also have a larger bass boat, but I bought a kayak, so I'm going to be practicing a little bit of kayak fishing for you guys, and I'm going to be posting a bunch of stuff. I'm going to be posting stuff about my family, me and my family fishing. I'll be posting stuff like you know, different gear that I may be buying, different gear that I may be trying out, fishing gear or whatever. So I hope you guys enjoy fishing, and if you don't really enjoy fishing, I hope I can turn you on to fishing, and I hope that you get hooked, because I've gotten hooked for the longest. I mean, this is something that I used to enjoy when I was little, and I want to, you know, spread some of the joy to people. I've already introduced my little daughter to fishing. She's 2 and she absolutely loves it. She loves everything to do with it, from fishing lures to worms to fishing poles. She even enjoys catching moss. So she just has a great time, and I'll post some of those things online so you guys can check it out. If you guys want to leave a comment, feel free to leave a comment anytime. Just you know, click on the subscribe, click some likes, share some of my videos, leave a bunch of comments. Let me know what you guys like, let me know what you guys don't like, and hopefully I can make some great content for you guys. This is just a hobby that I like to do, and I'm gonna, you know, take you guys along for the ride, see if you guys enjoy it. Let's get at it. First off, I'm gonna start off with this Senko. It's a Texas rig Senko. I don't really have it pegged. I have it loose, so it'll move around the line. We're gonna try to see if we can catch us a little pig. Hopefully we have some good luck. I really hope so. good one. Got a good one. All right, let's bring him over here. Oh, got a good one. Got a good one. Got a good size bass. There we go. Oh, he ain't going nowhere. Give her a little drag. Oh, a little bit. Alright, you ain't going nowhere, buddy. Nope. I got you. Alright, guys. Check it out. As soon as I changed baits, got her. Turn this around so you guys can see. Alright, there we go. So I went with the floating minnow. Got a good sized bass off the bank. There we go. Good one. She's bleeding a little bit. Make sure she's okay. Right. There we go. That's another look at her. Good size. Go with the release. Let it go. There she goes. So I just caught that bass just now. I should have waited. But wasn't thinking. All right, let's try some more. Let's try to catch some more. Let's do the same thing. Let's go back. Let's use this, what is this, Rapala BX Minnow 10. So it's a floating minnow. It dives a little bit and then it floats back up, and that's what I caught that last one on. Let's try to see if we can get another one here.